What if I told you that in 2026 you can start making money online with zero skills and zero investment using just your phone or laptop? It might sound crazy, but thousands of people in the US are already doing this, and today I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it too. First, let's talk about AI content creation. With tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and CapCut, you don't need to be an expert. You can create short videos for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels without showing your face or even using your real voice. Just generate a simple script using AI, create visuals, add an AI voiceover, and upload consistently. Once your videos start getting views, you can earn through ads, affiliate links, and brand deals. Many beginners are already making hundreds or even thousands of dollars every month using this method. Next is affiliate marketing, one of the easiest ways to make money online without creating your own product. All you have to do is promote products from platforms like Amazon or ClickBank. For example, you can create a TikTok page around trending gadgets, post short, engaging videos, and add your affiliate link in your bio. Whenever someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. There's no need to handle inventory or shipping, which makes it perfect for beginners. Finally, we have digital products. You can create simple things like ebooks, guides, or templates using AI tools and sell them on platforms like Gumroad or Etsy. The best part is that you create it once and sell it over and over again. So if you're serious about making money online in 2026, start today, stay consistent, and take action. Your future self will thank you.